Hi, I'm Michael LaFosse from the Origami Dough Studio. This project is my origami dim sum bun. Very three-dimensional. It can be posed in several ways, and it's very cute. They look like dumplings to me and remind me of dim sum dumplings from Chinese restaurants. It's a delightful model to fold, and it's folded from a single square. If using origami paper, you're going to want to begin with the white side facing up. I'm going to be using a larger sheet for the demo. Fold in half, edge to edge, both ways, unfolding after each. Now we're going to make a covered fold, which means that we're going to bring two opposite parallel edges together to meet at the center. And there's the horizontal crease, which we can use to guide ourselves. And here comes the opposite edge to meet it there. Now unfold the cupboard, and you'll see we have these two new creases. We're going to fold each of the square corners to the crease, edgewise this way. And there's the last one. So now we have four folded edges, like these two here. Choose one of them, it doesn't matter which one, and fold it to align with the crease. Now once we've chosen our first edge to align with the crease, we must use the opposite folded edge at the same end of the paper, and so that it looks like this. Now, we're going to use our hinge creases from the cupboard folding to fold these flaps inward. Rotate the paper so that the largest triangular area is at the bottom. Notice the horizontal crease line. We're going to use the bottom edge to match with it. Bottom edge to horizontal center crease. And unfold. Turn the paper over to the other side. We're going to fold the square area in half diagonally both ways, which means bottom edge to the left side, unfold, the bottom edge to the right side, and unfold. You'll have crossing valley creases. Rotate the paper to take the opposite short edge and fold it to align with the horizontal center crease. Use the crease pattern in the open area here to collapse for the bunny rabbit's ears. And you can see what that looks like. Rotate the paper in your hands so that we can fold these large right angle triangles over to the back. Make good sharp creases and unfold. Now we're going to rearrange the layers by mountain folding the larger portion in half like this to get a rectangular section, and then bringing together the two bunny rabbit ears above like that. And it looks like a nice origami bunny rabbit just as it is. But of course we can do better than that, and we're going to begin by folding the square corners at the very back end inside behind. You could use a pre-crease in front if you like, just so you could see where the square corner could touch that diagonal. And then you can go ahead and mountain fold it inside for real. Something like that. Once you have one of these corners done, place the layers together, tightly fold the other one over, it'll be close enough, and then fold it in, making a good sharp crease. So that's the back end of the bunny rabbit. Let's work on the front where the face is, opening the paper here at the ear. I want you to notice two limiting points. Down here at the bottom where the white and color match, and then up here at the top of the neck. We're going to be putting a valley fold between those 2 points in this top layer, like this. Once we've got this ear open, we're going to move it down and forward. I want it to align with the longer one beneath. And once I've done that, I can flatten the whole shape out and it will take exactly the placement it needs. Let's turn the paper over to the other side and do the same thing. Open, valley fold between the 2 points, and then make that squash fold. You can actually match the 2 corners together, and the rest will be flattening just fine. Now open the paper and you can see how the ears have a nice three-dimensional look. We also want the face to open up a little bit more. The way this is done is to grab the bunny rabbit by the nose and start to push the paper inside like this. I want you to notice that the pivot is happening at the back of the neck right here. So we grab the top layers together closed, push down inside, pivoting neatly, and then folding. I'm pressing inside here to get good creases, and then bring the face back up. You can see what a nice job that does in three-dimensionalizing the model. Now, to finish the bunny rabbit, we need to round out the back. Press here at the middle line of the back and follow the mountain folds that you'll find right along the color change line here. Sharpen them a little bit, like this, so that we get what could be the tail. And when the placement is symmetrical, you can softly mountain fold creases right up along the back. Right about like that. The bunny rabbit can stand up on its back legs like this, or right here on the bottom edges like that. Cute little dim sum bun. Enjoy.